retarded Ron Howard dressing like Eazy-E. You got AIDS to fill out the look, bro.
Sweet. Jim Pine is so stupid he thought he was snorting Xanax, but it was his daughter's Plan B.
Wow. Billy started a new rap group he's in. It's LWA, Lesbians with Attitude. They just dropped a new single straight out of Hillcrest.
Jim Pine only had kids so he could use their urine to pass a fucking drug test.
Yeah, so this is a true story. I'm a smart man. Smart man.
That's actually not a burn, that's solid planning.
This is turning into an ombrose now.
Yeah, thank you, Bill.
You guys don't know what you guys came to.
Billy Orme. That's his name, Billy Orme. Yeah, so he wants to be sexually molested so bad, he started a new hashtag. Instead of hashtag me too, he's doing hashtag or me.
Oh. Jim Pine is so ignorant he thought he was actually a good father. Anyway, Jim Pine smoked so much weed he can't remember if his daughter passed a pregnancy test.
Wow. You're owning the whiny complex at this point. Billy Orme. He started dating a comedian. Yeah. He's fucking a comedian now. It's about time. He's been fucking audiences over for years.
That sounds like a barbershop joke.
What would you know about a barbershop, you bald fuck?
You would know a lot because he cut off these locks of love so he couldn't strangle his wife anymore. Jim Pine has an acting credit on his resume. It is To Catch a Predator.
Billy Orme was very upset a couple weeks ago. He got a parking ticket out back because he didn't see the signs. Yes. I'm hoping he recognizes his rapid hair loss and weight loss as signs of AIDS.
Once again, another barbershop joke, guys. Jim Pine is so forgetful he can't remember if he sent his last dick pic to his wife or his daughter. His next letter will be, you've seen him on the sex offender registry, Jim Pine.
Is that 5 each? Yeah. All right.
Thank God that's 5 each. This is why we're at a bar on a Friday and not on TV with these roasts. I don't know, I think you guys missed the easy ones. Billy Dorme looks like if Powder wanted to be a pro skater. Jim Pine looks like the brawny man with Down syndrome. That said, man, I don't know. I'll give it to Jim Pine just because he looks like he can beat me up. Also, Tara, are you still back there at the bar? Would you pretty please send me another drink? Whiskey ginger tall? Thank you. It's going to be a long night.
Oh, we started.
One vote for Jim.
When do you guys start telling jokes?
One vote for Dan.
One vote for Dan. All right, I give it to Jim just because he knows that ball joke. But can you even hear it? I give it to Jim.
Oh, 2-0, yeah. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
So Jim's got 2 votes. I remember this happened last week when he was on the panel. I'll give it to Billy.
Give it to Billy.
Cut to the chase. Jennifer Churchill.
Just because you have a thing for young kids, Jennifer. Come on. Can I have some integrity here?
Wait. Say that again so people can hear you.
Oh, okay. I'm going to go with the story of his life. My vote's for Bill.
Oh,
Okay.
Damian Ricardo.
Well, I look at my job as judging as a job of integrity.
Damien,
So
savor this moment. This is the first time in your life you probably had this much power. So just like milk it for a minute.
let's draw this out. I need a runner to get me a drink. It was a close match.
It was a close match in the way that Timmy versus Jimmy on South Park.
If you were to watch 2 babies fighting,
right?
Like there is a winner, but nobody really got injured.
I mean, it's kind of fun to watch. Like there's no real harm being done.
I now, despite the fact that you went hard at Jim Pine's hoary daughter, I'm gonna have to give it to Jim Pine. I thought he had shit out.
My vote goes for Dave Callens. I think Callens win this round.
Are you bald, Billy?